Hello, my name is Ervan and Wijaya and my friend.
My name is Femi Tasani. We are from Universitas Brawijaya, Malang.
We are going to explain and introduce our innovation called Innovation of Zapper Merge or
Bactrocera with Zapper,
Ultrasonic Systems and Methyl Microencapsulation technique.
Yes, I'm going to explain to you. This our background is because agriculture is one of the main sector. However, this sector are surrounded by a lot of problems, and one of the problems is the attack of the fruit flies to the apples. And we make a trapper for the fruit flies, and my friend will explain the system of this device.
So this device consists of three main parts. The first part is the tractor. The second part is the detector, and the third part is the emitter. The first part is the tractor. We are going to hang the metal Eugenol to this device, and the second part is the detector. The detector consists of the radar module and the PIR sensor. When the radar and the PIR sensor detect the insect, the transmitter will emit some ultrasonic wave, and the zapper will activate. After the insect or the fruit flies touch the wall, it will killed by the zapper, and so we can pull this desk off to get out the dead flies.
Thank you.